Good morning, viewers.
Morning!
It's Saturday, the 7th of February, and we've got some van conversions to do. So join us on this weekend's escapades, which goes around the weather. And there's a bit of a clue there, guys. We might have a special guest coming later to ask us some questions about the van.
Yeah.
So we're going to eat this, get outside, brave the elements, and get some camper van conversion done thing. What do you reckon?
Yes, okay.
Is that a plan?
Yes, okay.
Right, we'll crack on then. Right, so first job is to treat this rust. Got some spray, rust converter. We spray it on the rust that's already there from this. I don't know if you can see that. From where they've drilled all these holes. I've ground them down, the edges have gone. So I'm going to spray all over these rust bits so they don't penetrate the paint. And then it'll be ready for the red oxide and the hole filling. I've gone over it all twice, and I've made sure I've gone over the ground surfaces as well. We are going to red oxide that anyway, and you can paint red oxide paint over the top of this. I've done the instructions. I just wanted to make sure everything was covered properly, especially down this end lot. Ready to get a bit of red colour in here. Red oxide paint, next step. We're getting there. Hey up! First job, after doing the spraying of the rust converter,
yeah.
is the red oxide paint. So all the bare bits of metal are going to be gone over twice. So we're going to start from this end and work our way backwards, aren't we?
Yeah.
As a team.
Yes, okay.
Yes, okay. I'm going to make a mess and you're going to do it neat.
Yes.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. Okay. Put paint in the middle.
I'll put paint in the middle. That's probably a bit easier, isn't it?
It is for both of us, yeah.
So I'm doing down the side bits first. Right then, first coat done. Let's go and have a cuppa. So this was double coated yesterday, and now I'm going to fill these holes in here. So I've got some aluminium plate, some Sikaflex, tape it underneath. So that one there, Sikaflex, tape it on, and then let that go off before I fill it with car filler from this side. So I've got to get underneath. It's just starting to rain. What is it with these weekends? Every weekend's been full of rain. We just can't get anything done. I've got to ground that underneath, and I've also red oxided it underneath. So I need to get some Sikaflex on there. So that's all Sikaflexed up. I've done a double, a big bead on the right hand side, because I know, because there's a raised bit there on the right hand side. So let's get that stuck on, and I'll show you underneath what it looks like when I've done it. So as you can see, hopefully that's taped on, Sikaflexed on. That should stay there until the Sikaflex goes off. So that's the main holes. The main holes all bunged up, ready for car filler when they've gone off. So I'm going to go inside now, have a nice cup of coffee and a bacon cob. We have filler. We have holes. Let's fill some holes. So That's all the holes all bunged up with a mixture of filler in this one. All the big ones have got filler in, and Sikaflex. So what I'll do now, when they've gone off, is just tape over them, and that floor is now weatherproof. On to the next bit. Just heard a noise in the van, haven't we?
We have, yeah. Definitely don't know who it is.
Might be a dodgy person.
Yeah,
Let's see
there's
if
no sunshine here anyway.
Hey, yo,
Hey, what are you doing here?
it shut me in.
You can't get to Tenerife in that.
Here's me thinking you're going to take me to Tenerife,
Yeah.
and look here. Where are we? We're not at Tenerife.
You're definitely
And I'll
not.
tell you what, it's not Tenerife weather.
It's not the sunny island of Tenerife.
Definitely not. It's definitely not.
Bless you.
So, this is your project then?
Yeah, definitely.
It is.
Keeping us busy.
Yeah. Tell me a bit about it.
Go on, Ian.
Well, if you've been watching earlier vlogs that we've been doing, we had our last one written off. So we decided to go for a higher one. So this is the stage of stripping it out. So this is the bit that it looks absolutely horrendous because all the rust has been sorted out with the what's the red? I can't think what it's called.
Red paint.
Red paint, yeah.
Red oxide.
Red oxide, that's it. So we're just in the process of filling her up with the bed and kitchen sink and all sorts.
Yeah, but we've been hard at it today, and somebody's come round, and we're going to the pub instead. We're going to stay warm.
So you pack well, you always take kitchen sink with you.
That's it, yeah, definitely.
Kitchen sink and 2 dogs.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, plenty of room for dogs as well.
Definitely. They need it as well, the 2 big dogs.
Yeah. So,
So-
you're going to have an heater in here as well, I take it.
Yeah, diesel heaters down there.
Down there, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
That's already got. So, careful out there, guys. You never know who's going to turn up in your van while you're converting it.
So I've seen part 4. Is there a part 5?
Not this weekend.
Not this
if we
weekend.
next weekend.
Yeah,
Oh, I've
next
stopped you from
weekend.
filming.
I know.
We've got to go to the pub instead.
Go to the
Well,
pub
basically,
instead.
what we've done this weekend is what you can see. Red paint, bung the holes up, and that's not really enough for a vlog, I don't think, is it?
No, it isn't. No.
Because we kind of more or less did the same thing last week with grinding all the stuff out. So, yeah, so next week we're going to put some holes in it.
So you're having a roof light as well.
The roof lights were in there, but the cables are already there, but we've got some spotlights. So they'll just straight swap with those they will.
And a skylight.
And then a fan.
Well, and a fan which is going there. Going to cut that vent out,
Yeah.
and that's going there. And then we'll probably have one of those mushrooms there.
Yeah.
Those just pop in and out. It's got 2 vents. Or we might keep that because it'll be good for condensation.
Yes, yeah, possibly needed, especially if you're cooking.
Definitely.
Those curries can
Yeah.
be, whoa.
Try not to do a curry in a van. It smell stays for a while, doesn't it? So yeah, Tez has come to see us and is disturbing us, taking us out to the pub. What a bad influence, eh?
Well, what can I say? You do know I don't drink, don't you?
Yeah.
We're not big
Yeah.
drinkers. We're okay. We're okay. I'm sure I've seen you drink a cup of it before. You were dragged into it.
No, I'm easily led.
That's it. Yeah, same as us.
Same as us.
What does Anne and David say? Being led astray.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's it. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you've got to be led astray every now and again.
Yeah.
And let's not forget, Mrs. Tez is here as well. Hello, Mrs. Tez.
It's not Tenerife, is it?
No. Let's go and find somewhere warm.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, let's
To
go.
the pub.
To the pub.
There you go, guys. There's
We'll
Tez.
see you later.
See you in a bit. Morning, guys. It's February the 14th. Got to mention, got to say this now. Thanks to Tenerife Tez for nipping me down last week to grill us about our van. We had a lovely time with him and Shirley. It was great. For you campervan guys, if you ever want to go to Tenerife, watch Tenerife Tez's vlogs. They're brilliant. Even if you don't want to go to Tenerife, watch his vlogs anyway. I'll put a link down in the description. So, it's February the 14th. The sun is out. The sky is blue. There's not a cloud to spoil the view. But it's freezing. Today's plan was to put the windows and the vent, or this weekend's plan, windows and the vent, So we've got a window going there, and a window going there, and a vent on top. But the temperature today isn't going to get anywhere near 5 degrees. And we've done a research, and sealant wise, it's best not to risk doing it at under 5 degrees, because it takes a long time to go off or to set, and the chances of it going brittle and cracking are higher than on a normal warm day or a normal temperature day. And today is not a normal day. It's the first day it hasn't rained 4 or 5 weeks, so we need to find something else to do. So what the plan is today, for the rest of this vlog, is to try the swivel seat we've got from the Peugeot Expert, which we got, and it's the same floor plan as a Vauxhall Vivaro. We've researched it, and it says it fits a Vauxhall Vivaro, so we shall try that. That's today. If you remember the first vlog of the van conversion, when it was so cold, you remember that the side door was frozen. Side door is frozen. That's how cold it is today. So because of the temperature, we can't put holes in it and seal it, so we decided to do the swivel chair. And that's a no, because that base from a Peugeot Expert does a Vauxhall Movano. So what we're going to do now, what we're going to do now, we're going to do the bed. So we've marked out where the bed's going to. We're going to use this wood, but we're going to go into the metalwork behind it with the, what they call them, rivet things, aren't they?
Yeah, I don't know what it's like,
bolt
a rivet
rivets.
gun.
And we've got these IKEA brackets. So I've got there a lot. So there's 3 holes there, all lined up, and with the, so the bracket takes it to the black line, and then the black line to the top, that's just slats.
There we go, look, that goes on there. If you move out just slightly, that goes on there.
So that makes it so the slat level with that. And what we're going to do, we're going to have a boxed recess.
Now that'll come out there, which gives you your 6'2". So this will be boxed in, and then a panel of plywood put on there and either carpeted, or we can do what we want with that anyway. So it'll just be all that's recessed, and the top of the bed will be exactly the same recessed, which makes the bed a bit bigger.
And that gives a possibility of LED lights in the recess.
Yeah, I think that's what we'll do, yeah. LED lights, definitely.
Because LED lights will fit in the slot down here when we wire them up,
Yeah.
or up, doesn't matter, there's plenty of room behind there. So I'm going to get some holes drilled, rivets in. I'll make some bigger holes there, so into the metal, make the wooden holes bigger so the rivets go in. So we'll have 3 in each strut, ready for the slats. At least that'll be one job done, that doesn't get in the way. I'll shut up now. So these are the bed mountings. Because of the rivet nuts, make a big hole so the rivet nut tool goes inside there. We're lapping it up to 11mm. Put the 8mm rivet nuts in, and then the 8mm bolts. Solid. And here's one we did earlier. These are only going to be on loose because we're going to carpet behind it, but we want to check how solid they are before we do the other 4. Yeah? Yep. We're losing count of how many we're doing.
Another 3. Another 2. We've only got 3 altogether.
We're losing the will to live here.
Honestly.
So we do keep trying to keep the wood on, because we need to bolt into it and screw things into it, because we're going to do the recess and stuff. So, but you can't use the rivet nut because it doesn't go up to the metal without the hole in it. So what we'll pack them out with washers when we do the final fix.
Yep.
Sound like we're on about, don't we?
Yeah,
Final fix.
We don't.
Well, of course we don't.
We're a long way off final fix.
Where's that knife and fork? We seem to be knife and fork in it. Big test. Come on, right, quick, get off. Right, that's one done.
One.
Time to go.
6 days later.
Where's that SpongeBob thing? 6 days later.
Yes. Right, next one in.
So, looks like the weather's beat us again. So we're just looking for different little jobs to do while the weather is how it is. So, I'm going to remove those in the back doors. We'll try and figure it out because it's spot welded, blah blah blah. Try and remove those. So, we're ready for putting the back windows in. Can't put the back windows in because it's raining. But at least it's a job nearer, as you can see. So let's try and figure this out. So there's one off. What I did, I loosened that joint below the double thickness there, ground across that because it's spot welded in 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's glued or taped down the middle. And gently, because obviously this is only thin, gently prised it open. So I've loosened that with a grinder, screwdriver and a hammer just to tweak it open. You've got to be very careful not to bend the outside. And then it prised open, worked my way down, loosened it there with a grinder, weakened it with a grinder, bent it over, snapped it off. It's just left with these 4 metal bits here, which I'll tidy up later. So let's tidy this up. That's them done. Another job done. Ready for the windows. As you can probably hear, it's raining a lot. So that's all I can do today, I'm afraid. There we go, look at that. No point cutting holes in this weather. It's either too cold, too wet. Oh. So that's it for this week, or these 2 weeks. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you enjoyed it, or you're finding anything useful from it, or you're getting anything out of it, then please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Any comment, just a thumbs up, anything like that. Just get the algorithms going. Let's get the channel growing. 603 subscribers now. 603. Can't thank you enough, guys. Can't thank you enough. So, hopefully next weekend we'll have windows in. If not, we'll have to start soundproofing or something like that. But going in and out the van, it's just no point. I've kept you long enough anyway. Take care, guys. See you next week.